Amalgamation H. 3 hops and a spring 2 times. Hop, 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 spring, hop, 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 spring. 3 springs and a wait, 3 springs and a wait. 3 tap springs and a wait, 3 tap springs and a wait. 4 tap spring toe hops. Let's try with some music. Amalgamation I. Brush hop, brush hop, brush hop, brush spring 3 times. Party bourrée, back, side, front. Then 3 quick shuffle steps to the toe. Shuffle forward, side, back, ball change. And then we'll start with the other foot with the brushes. Brush hop, brush hop, brush hop, brush spring. Brush hop, brush hop, brush hop, brush spring. Party bourrée, shuffle, 2, 3, toe, front, side, back, ball change. Let's try with some music. Amalgamation J. Spring shuffle ball changes to the side 2 times. Spring shuffle ball change, spring shuffle ball change. End part of a train, which you can see in previous episodes. Followed by tap step, ball change, pick up, hop, toe, hop to the side. Tap step, ball change, pick up, hop, toe, hop. Shuffle, hop, step over. And either a click or a lunge. 2 spring shuffle ball changes sides. Last part of the train. Tap step ball change, pick up hop, toe hop, shuffle, hop, step and click or lunge. Let's try with some music.